It's day 2 of the Pfeiffbrights Explore Maine. The Pfeiffers and Albrights will be in Vermont, getting some yummy food and seeing some beautiful sights.
Outside of Albany, New York, crossing a beautiful bridge. We're heading toward Vermont today on a time crunch. Many, many miles to drive.
Continue on New York 22 north for 1.5 miles. Welcome to Vermont.
Try a different one. Who wants a different one? Let Wesley do it. He's the master.
Yeah, the master drops
Let's see.
pennies on the
Let's
floor.
see. Nice.
Ghost in the graveyard! Run, run, run!
Top 10 flavors.
Is it good cedar? I mean cider?
Yep.
Our journeys are taking us out of beautiful Vermont and into beautiful
Welcome to New
New
Hampshire.